Okay, so we've got the blizzard bomb here out of the Dino Smasher. So boys, popping it in, one hand. Ready, lower it in gently. Woo!
Watch out, guys! Get away! It's gonna explode! It's gonna explode! It's gonna go. It's gonna do it. It's gonna.
That is so cool. What is it going to leave us with at the end? Anything, or
You have to wait for
you have to wait.
10 minutes.
You have to wait for 10 years.
Yeah. It would just never stop. Why is it not coming out?
Ooh. Ow. Turns all your fingers blue.
Ooh.
Oh, thanks. Great. Yucky. No, don't shake your hands everywhere. What's going on here?
We need to wait, Alexander,
wait.
until it stops bubbling. Would that be 10
That is
10 hours?
so cool.
Shake your hands all around.
Don't shake your hands all around, please. It's fizz. Stop. Starting to slow down on the fizzing process. Oh. Keep it in. Put it back in the water. Something's sticking out. It's going all over
You got it.
Keep it in. What is it?
It's a tail.
Oh!
No, it looks like.
Pop it back in the water. It's a claw, isn't it?
It's a feet.
Yeah, it's a claw. So, in the Dino Smasher, we've got a pterodactyl, haven't we? So, in each little part of the toy, in the egg, you've got all the different body parts. So, we found a foot, claws on it. That's cool. Nice. That was great fun.